It's Keita Billions, entrepreneur, mom of four, and I welcome you to my hotel tour. I really didn't try to rhyme. I didn't do that. Okay, so I'm standing in this corner because this is the main entrance. Is raw and cut. Okay, so as you walk in to the right, you got your little refrigerator area right here, and it's a nice size little refrigerator. Okay, don't mind these trash. Christmas was yesterday, and so we got the extra bag. I'm gonna take those out when I go to work. So let's start with the kitchen area, and we got a nice little space up in here. So we got the a refrigerator, freezer, cabinet space. That's my business. Don't mind the dishes in the sink. It's a lot. Little microwave, more storage space up top. And then let's take it back right here to the entrance. We have this little, I don't know why they just didn't put a door there, but anyways, I'm grateful. Can you tell? all right, we got this little, it's like a little closet space. If I can get it open. There it is. A little closet space, we can hang stuff. Got a little shelf right there. I try to be as organized as I can, but with so much going on, no, it's always a hot mess. It's a hot mess right now. This is the best. I'm not finna wait for perfect. This is the best that I can do. So anyways, whatever. Got some shoes and some blankets and towels over there. And then I'm thankful for this little hook area right here, because this is where I have the kids hang their bags, and of course I hang my bag. And then let's head over to the dining area. Yep, it gets real fancy over here. Okay, don't you mind that over there, the dining area. So I have my little air fryer right there with my little fruit basket. Don't mind that stuff. It's just I got a couple orders that I need to hurry up and ship out, and I just want to say thanks so much to my customers. I really from the bottom of my soul appreciate you. Okay, because throughout this time, I've just been so delayed and so behind on getting my orders out. So I'm really grateful that my customers is being patient with me. So yeah, we got this and then I have my little air purifier right here. Highly needed in here, because the air in here is so bad. Like, things mold up so fast, and it just get bad. Like, the food just get bad really fast. You have to hurry up and eat it. So I have my little air purifier. It helps to let me know when the smell is bad and I need to open the door, let the air out. And then I also bought my little trash can, my little stainless trash can that I love to keep clean, especially up in here, because the roaches be roaching. They be roaching. So it's very important to keep the trash can clean. Well, so that's the dining area. Now let's walk on over to the entertainment center. Okay, all right. Hold on, let me fix this light. Turn this light on. So now this is the entertainment center. We got our little TV on the wall, and it moves. Yeah, and it comes all the way out to you. It turns this way. If I'm in the kitchen and I'm whipping, it's gonna turn this way. You know what I'm saying? And I could be cooking, doing my thing, and watching whatever I need to watch on TV. And I also attach my Fire Stick to it, because it's not a smart TV, it's a dumb TV. And then we have the light. We got 2 full-size beds. My kids are sleeping. I really needed to do this while they were asleep, because they can get real excited. So 2 king-size bed. That's a window right there that does not open. I wish it did, but it don't. And then wait, it's not much at all. And so, so they have, you know, this little storage area right here. I got a lot going on, so I have a lot of stuff. Okay, 4 kids, my business, I work. It's a lot. We got a lot of stuff, you know. And I bought the bare minimum. But anyways, you know, this is their little storage area that came, you know, with this room. So I utilize that to the fullest. Okay. Oh, and then I have like for more storage, I have my kids' toy bin. Don't mind this bag of rice. I'm not supposed to be eating that. You don't see that. I have this my kids' toy bin, and I just put the little ones' clothes in there. The smaller kids, their clothes goes in there. So back on this side. Back on this side, Johnny. And so I bought my computer so I can get a lot of my entrepreneurial work done, because it makes it a lot easier. So I have my computer, my printer, my label printer to print out my shipping labels, you know, and that's it. And of course, more stuff. And then you know, I do Amazon, and so I look for people that's moving out to find like storage bins and stuff like this. And I managed to find this really nice one right here. This little white dresser right here. It was in great condition. I just wiped it out, put it in my back seat, and brought it home. Yep, home. This is the new home. And this is how I keep our shoes right here. Well, some of it, because you know it's like 10 feet up in here. So you know, we keep as much as we can right here. I want to get another one to put right here. That'll be helpful. And so now we're gonna go into the bathroom area. Let's turn the lights on so you can see it. Listen, don't judge me, okay? Let's go. And so the bathroom light is going out, and I can't change it because it's not a regular bulb. But let me bring this light closer. Bring my ring light closer. Okay, so the bathroom is a really nice size, and I really love it. This is the medicine cabinet. I love that it's all glass. This is the sink area, and then you have the toilet. I have my humidifier thing, and then they also have more cabinet space right here. And then it's under the sink, you have more space right here and space behind that stool. Yeah. And then there's the shower. The shower is a really nice size, again with more storage space. Yeah. That's the bathroom. And then they have these nice little hooks right here that you can put you know, hang your towels on. There's 4 of them. Each one has 2. Oh, and made sure I bought my blender, and I have my juicer. I haven't juiced since I've been here because
I work like a dog day and night.
It's just been so much happening, you know. I'm still waiting to like find time to wind down and calm down. Okay, but yeah, that's it for my little hotel vlog. If you're interested in supporting, and you know, you need your edges, you want your hair to be growing nice, full and thick, go ahead in that description section down below this video. You want your edges to stay stuck to your forehead while you out and about, go ahead and hit that check that description section area out. It's gonna have all the details. Okay, all the details. This is where we are. This is where we are. Ow, ow, ow. All right, so that's it for my little tour. Not much. It's just one little piece of studio room. It's like a studio home. Key to Billions signing out.